Hello everybody, I'm Rhythm and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be about this everyday natural looking makeup. So if you are interested, stay tuned. If you like, please subscribe and hit the like button down below. With all that being said, let's jump right into the video. So hello, welcome again. So let's start by tying our hair. It's always better to tie your hair, guys, because then it won't irritate you. I'm going to start by this using pore minimizer from Benefit. It's like an old goodie. Everybody knows about this product. I'm now taking time and really massaging this minimizer into my areas where I think I have big pores. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to use this pencil from Faces. I think it's a decent product. I'm going to very lightly brush this pencil on the beginning of my brows. Next, I'm going to use this Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation. It's a matte foundation. And with the help of this YBB beauty blender or a beauty sponge, I'm going to apply some foundation on the sponge, and by using the dabbing motion, I'm going to apply it all over the face. My suggestion for you would be that I prefer doing a matte foundation with a sponge because then it gives a very nice natural looking finish. It doesn't make you that flat. My pimple says hello. That was a friend not expected. But all guests are welcome. So yeah, natural makeup, this is the deal breaker. Next, I'm using this concealer from Maybelline. It's a Fit Me concealer. It's a very popular product. I'm using it to conceal my under eye dark circles, the bridge of my nose, the usual areas basically, forehead, Cupid's bow, and then I'm making a cute heart. And of course the chin. I'm using the sponge to blend it. I prefer using the concealer instead of a primer for a day-to-day basis on my eyelids, because I'm not going to go for a very high or anything very heavy eye makeup look. So basically I just want an evenness on my skin tone. So that's why I just drag the concealer on my eyelids and I really take time to blend them. For a natural or an everyday makeup look, it's always better if you concentrate mainly on foundation and concealer. Now I'm using this Makeup Studio powder. It's a very finely milled powder, guys. And now I'm going to set my concealer, and I'm also going to slightly bake it. I'm not going very heavy, and now I'm just dabbing all over my face with whatever product is left on my beauty sponge. I'm also going to set my eyelids so that they don't crease. Next, I'm going to use this Kat Von D Shade and Light palette to very lightly contour my face. I'm going to take this middle shade. I'm just adding a very light contour so that I get some depth to my face and I don't look that flat. I'm also going to remove that extra powder that is left under my eye. I'm using this blush from NYX. It has a beautiful peach and pink undertone, and I love this blush. It gives such a natural flush to the cheeks, and it's a matte blush, of course. I'm actually not too fond of shimmery blushes, but this one is actually quite my favorite. It's quite a good shade of peachy pinky combination. I'm going to use the same contour shade, and I'm going to apply as a transition color to my lids so that I get some depth to my eyes. You can use any contour palette, guys, or if you have any matte brown shade which you think is good enough for transition, you can go ahead. Next is this palette from Wet n Wild. I'm using this rose gold satin eyeshadow just to add a pop of color. This also adds up brightness, and also your eyes looks open up. Now I'm using this mascara from L'Oreal. It's the Lash Paradise Mascara. I think L'Oreal makes one of the best mascaras. This mascara gives so much volume and length to the lashes. I'm quite fond of L'Oreal mascaras. Actually, even Essence mascaras are quite pocket friendly, and they also have excellent results. I've tried high-end, but sometimes these XOXO brands do way better than high-end brands. Don't forget to do your lower lash line, guys. That's also very important, because your lower lash line actually, if you put mascara well on your lower lash line, they add some little bit of color, and that's how they look quite opened up. So I'm now really taking time to do my lashes. Next, I'm using this highlighter from MAC. It's the Soft and Gentle highlighter. It's a beautiful highlighter. It's not that too much shimmer on the face, and very nude and very nice. Next is this lip liner from Nykaa. Actually, this liner is a perfect lip liner because it's that universal color which you need in your vanity. It's that beautiful browny peachy color which would probably go with any nude lipstick. I would mention every details of the makeup in the description box below. Now I'm using this shade called Burnt Spice from MAC. It's from their matte collection. This is actually my second bullet from their collection. I love this color. It has a very nice peachy browny undertone. I prefer nudes which are more inclined towards the peach or the browns. So yeah, that's how I'm applying the lip liner. So yeah guys, voila, that's the final look. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this. If you like this look, please don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. I'm Rhythm. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.